Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about iPhone 6s. As you can see, this is iPhone 6s, and as you can see, this is iPhone 8 Plus. So now I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID iPhone 6s with DCSD cable using HFZ Activator bypass tool. Just wait a few seconds, I will show you step by step. First, connect to Wi-Fi. After connect to Wi-Fi, when I restore my iPhone, then automatically coming iCloud lock. I forget Gmail ID and password. I mean Apple ID and password I forget. How I use and how to bypass iCloud ID iPhone 6s. Now remember, if you need to bypass iCloud ID 𝐻𝐿𝐿𝐴 devices, so must need DCSD cable. Some devices like iPhone 6, this is iPhone 6s, right? So you need to bypass, if you need to bypass iCloud ID iPhone 6s, so need DCSD cable. iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 4, iPad 5 generation need to DCSD cable for bypass iCloud ID because need to change SN. If you have any box, so no need to request DCSD cable. Now as you can see, this is a iPhone 8 Plus. Okay, so inside iCloud lock also I forget. So how I can bypass iCloud ID? Remember, after bypass iCloud ID, 𝐻𝐿𝐴 devices right now not work SIM card, only Wi-Fi use. And as you can see, iCloud ID and password I forget after restore. So how I bypass iCloud ID? iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone X, and iPad 5 generation, iPad 6 generation, iPad 7 generation, and some iPad Pro, no need to DCSD cable. So this is iPhone 8 Plus, so no need to DCSD cable. I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID using HFZ Activator tool. So first I bypass iCloud ID without DCSD cable. If you need to bypass iCloud ID iPhone 6s, so you need to buy DCSD cable. This is the DCSD cable, so you need to buy DCSD cable for bypass iCloud ID. If don't have DCSD cable, if you have any box for changing SN number, so no need to DCSD cable. Okay, so I have both, so I just show you. Now as you can see, this is a iPhone 8 Plus, so I will bypass iCloud ID using HFZ Activator tool. First I need to connect, and after connect I need to click check serial number. Remember, check serial. When I click check serial number, here showing 𝐒CID not register. You need to active 𝐒CID from bestockunlock.com. Now this is the 𝐒CID number. You need to copy this 𝐒CID number, same to same you need to submit. This is the 𝐻𝐿𝐴 devices, you need to submit 𝐻𝐿𝐴 section. For passcode disabled devices, no need to DCSD cable. iPhone 6s, iPhone 8 Plus, no problem. This is a bypass. If you need to bypass iCloud ID 𝐻𝐿𝐴 devices, need to DCSD cable. If passcode disabled devices, so no need to DCSD cable for bypass iCloud ID. Remember. So now I need to copy 𝐒CID number. So I need to active 𝐒CID number for bypass iCloud ID. So wait a few minutes. After active, I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID. Now as you can see, after active 𝐒CID number, so you need to click check serial number. After click check serial number, just wait a few seconds, I will show you Now showing here one serial number. You need to copy the serial number. If you change manually, we can also change manually. So I need to copy and I will show you how to work. Just save serial number and close and click OK. So this is iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X, and iPad 6th generation, iPad 7th generation, and iPad Pro 10.5 inch. Some devices no need to DC SD cable for Hello Skin bypass iCloud ID. Now, as you can see, I need to connect with recovery mode. First switch off. Okay. Now disconnect. Now need to press power button. For iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X need to press power button, automatically going recovery mode. For iPhone 7, 7 Plus need to press only volume down after switch off. For iPhone 6s, 6s Plus need to press only home button, automatically going recovery mode. Okay, so I need to press power button and connect USB cable. So wait and see, I will show you. Okay, just wait. After I go in recovery mode, then I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID. Now as you can see, automatically going recovery mode. Now you need to press volume down button, click here enter DFE mode. Now click start button. When click start button, need to press volume down and power button. Okay, both button same time press. Now release power button. When going automatically DFE mode, automatically close this tool. Now going DFE mode. Okay, now as you can see, click boot button. Now click run checkmate. If you mistake like that, you will can't successful. You don't try like that. If you Hello Skin devices, so you need to click only Purple Pro mode for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X devices. Okay, so I need to close again and click here and just try again. If not work, then I need to again make DFE mode. Click Purple Pro mode. After I click Purple Pro mode, just wait a few seconds. Now as you can see, automatically going Purple Pro mode. Now click here. After click here, now need to select and connect and need to change serial number. Now successful to change serial number automatically, just one click. Now I need to reboot manually. Also you can check from here. Just connect and reboot. Now my device is automatically reboot. Okay, so remember, when you make DFE mode, don't click here boot button. You just click Purple Pro mode, then automatically going purple mode. So now after run, you must need to click check serial number. This is check serial number. If not click check serial number, you will can't successful to bypass iCloud ID. Same like you can bypass iCloud ID based on broke devices. Now need to click here check serial check button. Now as you can see, showing done. That means my serial already changing. That's why showing done. If not click check serial number, you will can't successful. Now as you can see, changing automatically. Just one click. Now click OK. Now I need to disconnect and I need to again make DFE mode. Just wait and see. Now I need to press power button and connect USB cable which and see. After going recovery mode, then do same like before. Okay, now I need to click here. Here automatically showing one button. Just wait, close, and need to open. And as you can see here showing enter to DFU. Click here, and now you need to click a start button and press volume down and power button. Remember, same time you need to press volume down and power button. If you let automatically run your devices. Not successful to DFU mode. Now successful. Okay, now I need to click here boot button. If any error or automatically close, then I need to select both true. Click and click run checkmate and successful. Click OK. Now wait few minutes, sending some files after downloading. After sending some files, then you can click // check button. Now wait, sending files. If any issues, then I will select both true, then again try. So wait, now successful to both. Click here OK. Now need to click // check button. Okay, I click here // check button. Now wait and see. After click // check button, I wait for connect sh. Then I can work bypass iCloud ID. Now successful to connect sh. Now click OK. Now I need to click no signal button. So here automatically bypass iCloud ID. Then normally you need to active your devices. No need to do anything. Now successful to bypass iCloud ID. So like that you can bypass iCloud ID. Just wait a few seconds. Automatically run these devices. Now no need to connect USB. Just wait and see. I will show you step by step. Now as you can see, after run, just click next. No asks for iCloud ID. So like that you can bypass iCloud ID using HFZ Activator tool. Have a more tool based on unlock. You can work without any issues. Trusted website. I hope you can work. Now wait for run, then I will show you. Just wait a few minutes. Okay, now run devices. I need to press home button, select English and select manually setup, continue and continue. Alhamdulillah, successful to bypass iCloud ID, as you can see, and now normally active. So before you see have inside iCloud ID, now no have iCloud ID. So like that you can bypass iCloud ID using HFZ Activator bypass tool. So I hope understand how to bypass iCloud ID. If you still don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, never miss new another update. Also don't forget to click like button. Okay, welcome to iPhone. As you can see, it's bypass iCloud ID. You can use anything without SIM card right now because not release jailbreak. That's why right now not possible to use SIM card. If coming any new method, I will show you inshallah. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.